Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Holistic Jordan. We're back again with another Manchester United video, Manchester United talk. Breaking news, man. Fabrizio tweeted the tweet. Here we go. Sesko joining Manchester United. And I'm this excited as well because I never really seen too much of Sesko, but I just watched the comp. I'm pumped. Man, I'm pumped up right now, man. What a signing. What a signing. 22 years old. Man 6'5". And just watching his highlights, Sesko has a very good shot on him. He can get his foot through the ball. He can hold up play. And I love his movement as well. Obviously for Leipzig, different league, playing in the Bundesliga. He's coming to the Prem now. But I think that player profile, man, it's exactly what we need, man. When we think about our attacking artillery now, Sesko, Cunha, Mbumo, Xerxes, Ahmad, even put Bruno there. Man, I'm about to read the tweet now. Fabrizio Romano, Benjamin Sesko set to undergo his medical ahead of a signature of 5-year contract at Manchester United. Process starting earlier morning and Sesko will be unveiled tomorrow at OT. Old Trafford, man. What a signing. I'm pumped up, man. I'm excited. Yeah, he's tall, he's physical, he's good in the air. And this is exactly the player profile we need, to have in the team. Someone that wants to play for Manchester United. People might say, oh, you overpaid for Sesko. Man, it ain't my money, man. And on top of that, in today's market, that's probably what Sesko is worth. So I don't think price is the issue. I'm not sure if we're paying, how much? I don't know how much are we paying for Sesko? What is the final price for Sesko? Let me check now. Yeah, so the deal's worth 73.7 million in pounds, but it's a guaranteed payment of 66.3 million. With some add-ons. So yeah, I mean, what a signing. Man, he's coming to Manchester United, man. When I think about our attack last season with Garnacho and Hoyland, yo, oh my. And now Sesko and Bruno, Cunha, yo, Xerxes. Next season, man, we gotta be slapping up teams, man. We gotta put those teams to the sword. I don't think Sesko's gonna start against Arsenal because he hasn't got a pre-season. So he's obviously gonna be joining very shortly. I'm looking forward to the first game of the season. And what really works as well, we have so many good attacking players that we can interchange it as well. Like Xerxes can play in the number 9, Xerxes can play in the 10. Same with Cunha. You can play Cunha up top. You can drop Cunha in midfield. Our attacking outlet is very lethal now. It's very deadly. It's scary. Teams will start to respect us. Like last season, when you're in the tunnel and you're seeing Hoyland and Garnacho, bruv, teams are like, look at these, man. Man, they didn't respect us, but they start to respect us now. Like when we think about, like we took Wolves' best player in Cunha, we took Brentford's best player in Mbumo, man, and we took Leipzig's best player in Sesko as well, man. So I see what we're building. There's news as well that Man United are in for Baleba at Brighton, and man, I watched the comp of Baleba. Obviously, I seen him last season for Brighton, and he's a very good player. But when you rewatch the comp, you're like, yo, Baleba's the profile we need, because Baleba in that midfield pivot, he can play next to Cass, he can play next to Bruno, next to Kobe, next to Agate. Baleba's a player profile we don't have. So getting Baleba over the line is gonna be like, for me, if we sign Baleba, and obviously Sesko's coming in, we already signed Cunha and Mbumo, man, what a window. Man, that's 5 out of 5, man. We'll see the keeper, because I don't want to see Anana next season. Alright, Anana's not even number 1, man. He ain't wearing the 1, so it makes it easier to move Anana on, or he could be the 2 or whatever. But I don't want to see Anana in between the goal next season. Go and get a keeper, and we're good. Baleba could be coming to Manchester United, man. Pay the money. They're saying 100 million. Man, we can pay the money, man. Pay the money, man. Because, yeah, just know, if you go and get Baleba as well, because that was one of our biggest problems, was the midfield. We needed to strengthen that position, and if we go and sign Baleba now, Baleba's very good on the ball. He's athletic. He can cover a lot of ground. And, yeah, his passing is decent as well. So, I love to see him in the Manchester United top. What we're building, shout out to Ineos, man. You have to give Ineos credit, because since Jim's come in and we have Wilcox, yo, I want to see Man United where it should be. I'm 23, so I never really got to see United at its best. Man, the last time we won the league, man, I was 10 years old, turning 11, man. So I'm not saying we're going to win the league next season, but yo, you never know. You never know, you know. Obviously, Amarin's our coach. Like, I want Man United to do well. I don't know if Amarin's going to be in the plans in the near future. But for me, first game of the season, go and beat Arsenal and just show me something. Show intent. Show better playing style from last season. we obviously have better players now, so we should play better, right? That's not always the case. We have to see how this manager sets up and kind of, yeah. Man, the tactics, man. The tactics have to be tactical. Just go and choose your best 11, man. Amarin, please, choose your best 11 and go out there and players will play and we will get wins. That's what it's about. So, pay the money for Baleba. Sesko's, I can't, yo, 6'5", you know. When I'm thinking about, yo, man, 6'5", he's physical and he has a good shot on him. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking very forward to it, man. Tall, physical unit up top. As I said, we have a lot of attacking players, so Sesko's not going to be playing in the 9 every game. Like, we can make it very fluid and change it about, Xerxes in the 10, 9, whatever it is. So, yeah, man, shout out to Ineos for this window and even last window, man. When we think about bringing in Xerxes, Delit, Mazraoui, the only bad signing or signing that question, bruv, Ugarte, man, because Ugarte, yo, he's rubbish. He's so bad to watch on the ball. Yeah, man. But again, I'm looking very forward for this season. First game against Arsenal. Yo. Well, we need to slap them, man. Man said they got Zubi Mendy in midfield with Norgard and... Nah, man, we have to deal with these guys, man. Because, yeah. It's something exciting. Every Man United fan should be excited for this season. And, yo. What if... I know... Okay, this is hypothetical, yeah? Yeah, this is a strong hypothetical because, man, it's not happening. Let's just... What if we win the league? What if we actually win the league, man? Jordan, man, shut up, man. You ain't winning no league. Just say, what if? What if we win the league? It's possible, but it's not very probable. But no, on a real one, ideally we should be finishing the top 4 and we should be getting to a final, man, and getting a trophy. Because no matter what manager we've had over the last 5, 6 years, whatever it is, we get to finals. So next season, let's get to another final and let's win a cup. But the Premier League is the bread and butter, so, and especially we're playing 1 game a week for the most part of the season, and we're also going to have some cup runs in the Carabao Cup and FA Cup, so yeah, there's a lot of minutes to be played. It's going to be a steady start to the season, 1 game a week. We just need to work on playing well and winning games, man. Yeah, I just want to see us at our pinnacle. I want to see us back to where we need to be, and this is it, man. Signing Sesko and potentially getting Baleba in as well, and already signing Konya and Mbumo. Yo, man. We're making serious signings, man. So comment down below to let me know your thoughts on signing Sesko. And yeah, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I'm going to be doing more football talks like this, match reactions, and all of that stuff. All right, it's Holistic Jordan, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.